Hello guys, welcome to 3311B White Drive. It's a gorgeous townhome right here on hole number 18. It's got great views of the golf course, just a really nice peaceful setting, beautiful back deck here, and a lovely screened-in porch. So if you really enjoy golf, this is your spot, but if you just like to be peaceful and quiet, this is it too. Garage you could live in. Customized flooring with a great storage bench with racks for storing all your things. Features and decor inside are fabulous. You have a nice open floor plan with high ceilings. You get a great feel just sitting in here. And it's a great, beautiful, customized kitchen. You'll find some granite countertops, stainless appliances, and gas range with an exterior vented hood. Here we are in the master suite. It's got a really large walk-in closet with a beautiful tile bath, shower, tub, and double vanity. The deck here is great for sunny days, enjoying the sunshine, and starlit nights. And the landscaping is done by the association. They mow and cut the bushes back, but you can plant the container plants that you like and add some accent plants. So it's kind of like easy gardening here. These townhomes are right here on 18 at Morehead City Country Club, and right down the way you can see views of the Newport River. It's a great spot.